Are you ready to embark on your next adventure? The world is teeming with experiences waiting to be discovered. But to truly immerse yourself, it pays to travel smart. Before you jet off, here are 5 travel tips that will elevate your journey to the next level. Unlock the secrets of your destination with local transportation apps. No more pricey taxis or perplexing bus routes. Embrace the convenience of bike sharing, private shuttles, and more. With these tools in your pocket, you can navigate your surroundings just like a local. From bike sharing to private shuttles, these apps offer convenient and affordable ways to get around like a local. Tired of fighting through crowds to snap that perfect photo? Consider the game changer that is off-peak sightseeing. Imagine having serene landmarks all to yourself, minus the hustle and bustle. Plan your visits during off-peak hours. You'll enjoy a more intimate experience with the sights. Break down barriers and connect with locals by learning basic phrases in their language. The beauty of language learning apps is they're portable, interactive, and fun. So gear up to bridge cultural gaps. With language learning apps, you'll be saying hello and thank you like a pro in no time. Immerse yourself in the heart of your destination by participating in cultural workshops or classes. Become a temporary local, delve into the art of local cuisine, or sway to the rhythm of traditional dances. These experiences offer a deeper understanding of the culture. Ditch the cookie-cutter hotels and dive into authentic cultural experiences with homestays or Airbnb experiences. These opportunities offer a unique lens to view your destination, allowing you to live like a local, not just visit like a tourist. Connect with locals, learn their customs, and create memories that will last a lifetime. With these 5 travel tips, you're ready to embark on your journey with confidence and curiosity. Harness the power of local transportation apps. Relish the tranquility of off-peak sightseeing. Communicate with ease using language learning apps. Dive deep into the culture through workshops or classes. And experience authentic living with homestays or Airbnb experiences. Every journey is a story waiting to be written. So go ahead, write yours. Bon voyage. Don't forget to subscribe or follow for more travel inspiration.